it was on very, very low volume. I want to make sure you see that. The volume went down to next to nothing as the market was topping out, which is another sign that the market is going to stall out, which is why I immediately went short. I saw that the market was moving up. Volume was just non-existent. So again, over here, the market's moving down. Volume starts dropping off. You're near the 300 level. You're near this low here. You're in this support zone there. All this stuff should start to add up. What can happen then is you simply look at the screen, you see what's going on, and you make the decision to lift the position off or close the position. And so that whole sequence of events where I see that the market is moving into the Little Dipper, I notice that volume has dropped way, way off. That triggers me to go short because of the Little Dipper, resistance, all this other stuff going on. Then as price is moving down, I can take into account that it's getting near to the round number, that it's near support over here, it's near this support zone right there, plus volume is dropping. All of those things combine to where I can just look at the screen and that tells me, get out. Okay? And because there was such a small move, there's no, I guess the question could be, well, should I have put my stop down to break even? Or, I thought about that. And when I looked over and saw how far the move had actually gone, and I saw that, it's only 10, 11 pips when you account for the spread, let's just get out, clear the position off the table, and go about my day. Part of the reason was this was all happening right about 12 o'clock Eastern Time. Okay, so you're right at the edge of the sweet spot. Again, all these things should start combining to give you the insight to say, you know what, let me just get out and see what happens. If I get another setup, that's great. And what I was thinking was, well, you know what, if the market breaks through here, and I see that the volume isn't spiking way up and the market isn't making a huge down bar. In other words, if I were to see that this bar, let me do this. If this bar was to, I'll do it this way. So if this bar looked like this, and it was just one 15-minute bar that went straight down, now, on the other hand, I would not be as likely to look to go short. But if there were several 15-minute bars just printing as the market was coming into that area, then that would be something different, where you can see the market's moving down, 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 and just sort of breaking through. If volume was staying, fairly close to this level, below this line, you're not getting big spikes. Again, it's just telling you that the professional money is slowly moving the market down, more than likely targeting stops in this area here and in this area here. So again, there are, in one respect, there are a lot of things to keep track of, but as you train yourself, as you become more and more familiar with these things, you can look at the chart, chunk together all of these different patterns, and understand that there's an opportunity to trade. I had hoped to do this live, more, I guess, not necessarily live, but in more of a sequence. I apologize that several hours have gone by, but we just got the all clear. The gas company is still next door, but the fire trucks have left, which I think was a good sign. So I'm sitting back at my desk, and I'll try again tomorrow. If we get a good setup, I'll do another sequence of videos, and hopefully this has helped you. I really decided to do this because there's been a gap with the Q&A videos. Again, just to give you a little heads up on that, Donna and Melissa are both working feverishly to get through all of the emails. What they're doing is answering all of the support questions, all of the questions about the websites. We've also got Sean and Tim both working on website issues with video. Once they start working through all those, they'll put all the trading questions together to me, and I'll shoot a couple of Q&A videos. So if you sent me an email about with the trading question in it, I promise I'm not ignoring you. We've just had a snafu with my email address and the software system. We've got over 400 emails to get through, but like I said, we've got 4 people now working very diligently to get this solved for us, and I expect to have everything squared away by tomorrow at the latest. So I appreciate your patience in all that, and I'll look forward to talking with you tomorrow.